my name is Jack, and I'm from Pack 321. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do this crystal growing kit. All you're going to need is your crystal kit. You're going to need any container. You're going to need any cup. You're going to need water, and you're going to need a paper towel. First, you're going to need to open your growing kit and get the black tray out. Now you're going to fill the black tray up to the line with water. Go. Now you're going to get your microwavable cup and you're going to pour this water in. Like that. Now we are going to put the water in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Now we're going to take this out. Now we're going to pour this water in the tray. Before we do, I'm telling you, do not microwave this water inside of this plastic. It's a horrible idea. Okay, now we're going to use a new material. It's called scissors. Make sure to be careful with them, because if you rip this open, it's just going to go everywhere. But we don't want that to happen, so you always want to use scissors when you're cutting something. Pour in 3/4 of the crystals. Make sure it's under the warning sign. You don't want to pour all of them. Just like this. Perfect. Just like this. Now you're going to use your stirring stick to stir it up until it's all melted. Be sure to stir slowly so you don't spill any water. I'm stirring it until it's all gone like this. There was too much water in it, so me and my dad used this to suck some of that water out. Once it's all dissolved like this, you're going to put it in this tray. But me and my dad had a problem with the water. It was too much. It was overfilling. So what you're going to do is you're going to hold this carefully and put it in there. So now we're going to take these rocks and make sure you get it wet on all sides like this. Then you put them in there. And now these crystals are now seed crystals. What they're gonna do, we're gonna sprinkle them on, and then in a day or two, they will form into crystals. But make sure to put your trusty napkin on it so no dust gets on it. Make sure you get it on them. Like that. Put the towel on it, like so. Now this napkin is gonna make evaporation inside of the container, and it's gonna make sure all that water soaks into the rocks and forms beautiful crystals. I had fun making these crystals. I had fun making this video. I hope you guys had fun making these crystals. And I hope you guys had fun watching this video. I'll see you next time at the Pack 321 Blast Off meeting.